Welcome to Regent Street, London on a rainy day. In this video, we'll take you on a virtual walking tour through one of the city's most iconic shopping destinations as we explore the charming architecture and bustling atmosphere of Regent Street in the rain. We'll start our journey at the famous Piccadilly Circus, where we'll see the bright lights and billboards that make this area so iconic. From there, we'll make our way down Regent Street, passing by historic buildings and luxury boutiques as the rain pours down around us. As we walk, we'll point out some of the unique features of Regent Street, including the beautiful window displays and intricate architecture that make this area so special. We'll also take a few breaks to duck into some of the cozy cafes and shops along the way, giving you a taste of the warm and inviting atmosphere that can be found on this bustling street. Whether you're a London native or just dreaming of visiting someday, this video will transport you to the heart of one of the city's most beloved destinations, all from the comfort of your own home. So grab your umbrella and join us for a rainy day stroll through Regent Street, London